I'm Amelia Bordeaux. Welcome to Market Compass. Today's topic is don't catch a falling knife. Don't do it. What do I mean by this? This is what I mean. When a currency has fallen a lot, when it is heavily trending lower, do not try to pick the bottom and go long at that level you pick. Now, this is very tempting to do. Every trader, every hedge fund manager, at some point in their career, they do this. They see a heavily trending market lower. They think, I know it has to turn. It's going to turn. I have 10 reasons why it's going to turn. I know that I'm right. I'm going to initiate a long position. I'm going to try to pick the bottom. And inevitably, I would say 8 or 9 times out of 10, they're wrong. And what I mean by this is initiating a long position when the currency is heavily trending down. You catch the knife because inevitably that currency is going to move lower again. Recently, sterling, it has been heavily trending lower. And this is an example of how traders could have caught a falling knife. So traders could have made a lot of money out of this trade at some point and probably did, but they also could have caught a falling knife and lost a lot of money. So here you see sterling, and it's obviously trending a lot lower. Let's just take a look if we can put a trend line in real quick. I'm going to do this one. Okay, this is a fan trend line. You see it's just trending lower and lower and lower. Look at that fan just all the way down. So for instance, what happened if around here you decided, oh look, here's a nice uptrend. Sterling must be trending higher. I'm going to initiate my long. You would have been out about 12%. That's about a 12% drop right there, I believe. Look at that. Yeah, 12.6%. Or here, maybe you thought, look, we've been range trading, rangy. Now we're starting to move, to the second line of the fan. We're starting to look good. I'm going to initiate along here. And then boom, look at that drop, much lower. Look at this drop here. That was that flash crash in sterling. Even now, people are tempted. Look at the latest data. This is just latest trading. Let me just pull it up because it's happening right now, for instance. Look at this. It's up today. Let's look at like a 3-day. You're thinking, oh, look at this nice turn in sterling. Look at this. Let's try to initiate along here. It's clearly trending up. It may not be the case. You get some news out, boom, this is going to turn right around, and you're going to have something like that flash crash that happened a couple nights ago. So really be careful with sterling. Is there going to be a bottom? Yes. Should you try to pick it? No, don't. When something is trending so long, so low, let it turn. Let it turn. Wait. Once it's turned up, once that turn has been established, once that turn and the uptrend has started to stabilize, then go long. Are you going to miss some pips? Yeah, you're going to miss some pips. But you know what? You're going to make a whole lot more pips than you are if you try to catch a falling knife. This trade has trended lower for longer for a long time. This is a macro trader's dream. And what does that mean? It means eventually it's going to trend higher for a long time. So you have time to wait to get into that trade. And that's what I mean by don't catch a falling knife. It's so tempting, but refrain. See you later, traders.